Hi, Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. If you found this video, you may be looking for a waterproofing, foundation, or crawl-space repair company in the Charlotte area. We know how important it is to find a dependable, trustworthy company to work on your home. Chances are, you've ran across a few names in your search, so we thought we'd show you a comparison between HydroHelp911 and one of our competitors, Carolina Foundation Solutions. So why would we do that? We pride ourselves on being open, honest, and transparent with our services. We want our customers to be as informed and as educated as possible about the health of their home. We're not scared of a little competition, and we just want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your foundation, crawl space, or basement repair needs. So we encourage you to compare. Carolina Foundation Solutions was established in 2002 by Chet Miller. They are a fully licensed and insured company and a licensed North Carolina and South Carolina general contractor based out of Burlington, North Carolina. They cover pretty much all of North and South Carolina with 8 different locations. They are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau, have 205 Google reviews from all 8 locations, and are a premier certified installer for Chance, and have also won the Angie's List Super Service Award. Carolina Foundation Solutions specializes in residential and commercial foundation repair and concrete lifting, basement and crawl space, structural repair, and waterproofing, as well as retaining walls. HydroHelp911 was founded in 2017 by myself. We are fully licensed and insured and based just outside of Charlotte in Dallas, North Carolina. We are a small business and have less than 20 hard-working employees. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating on Google with almost 130 reviews, as well as a host of other Facebook, Angie's List, and Home Advisor reviews. We provide services for crawl space repair, encapsulation, basement waterproofing, both interior and exterior, and foundation repair, as well as masonry and structural support repairs. We provide custom solutions, and each repair is customized to your home's specific needs. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like, schedule a complimentary consultation. Feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a good day.